2025 tax refund update. In today's video, we have the next direct deposit date shared, IRS transcript code 570 and 971. We are covering still being processed versus being processed. We also have the latest numbers updated on the irs.gov website, so make sure you stay tuned. But before we begin, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Let's begin with where is your 2025 tax refund? Well, the next direct deposit date shared is March 5th, 2025. Make sure to check the WMR on irs.gov. Also shared is 846, a refund issued for March 6, 2025. Please share with us in the comments if you did receive a next direct deposit date for your 2025 tax refund. Also keep in mind, if you do not receive your 2025 tax refund on the designated date, the bank has an additional 5 days to make your funds available. Make sure to check with the bank. Now, if you are receiving this particular status, we have received your tax return and it is being processed. The IRS has finished processing your 2024 tax return and more than likely will be issuing you a refund status update with code 846 very soon. So make sure you keep checking for updates. Continuing on with the status, your tax return is still being processed. Now, with this particular status, that means the IRS first still need to process your 2024 tax return, and they may need additional time to do so. Remember, most refunds are issued within 21 days, but the IRS may need additional information from you, so you will have to keep checking for updates because your tax return is still being processed. Also, you may see code 570 on your IRS online transcript, which means the IRS need more time to review and complete your tax return. So if the IRS complete the additional review and there's no additional information needed, then you should see an update on your IRS online transcript with a 846 refund issued, as well as a notice that will be following, which is code 971. Now, if you do get selected for further review, the IRS will be sending you a similar notice like the one you see here, notifying you that they have received your 2024 tax return and they are verifying it for accuracy. They're holding your refund until they finish reviewing the information reported, and you must allow 60 days for them to complete that review. Additionally, refund status, your tax return is still being processed. A refund date will be provided when available. This particular status date could mean that you need to verify your identity. And if that is the case, the IRS will be sending you one of these particular notices, which are 5071C, 5447C, 5747C, or 6331C. You will have to follow the instructions in order to complete the process of verifying your identity as well as verifying your tax return. There is a two-step process. First, verifying your identity. Secondly, verifying your tax return. If both steps are not completed, the process is not successful. Now, once you have successfully verified, you will receive a congratulations. You have successfully completed the return verification process. We now have the necessary information to continue processing your 2024 tax return. Also, keep in mind that after you verify your identity, processing can take up to 9 weeks after for you to receive your tax refund. If they have to mail you a paper check, it can take up to 2 to 3 weeks for you to receive that paper payment. Also, if you're trying to verify your identity online and you receive the status that we are not able to provide assistance via the identity verification tool, you may need to call the IRS or schedule an in-person appointment to verify your identity in the office. Now, the numbers updated on the IRS.gov website ending February 21st, 2025. Total tax returns received so far 42,707,000, which is a decline from 2024 of negative 4.2%. Total returns processed 42,396,000, which is also a decline of a negative 3.8% compared to 2024. And the average refund amount has increased. That amount is $3,453, which is an increase of 7.5% compared to 2024. Now, if you need to contact the IRS, you can call them at 1-800-829-1040 if you need to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service because you are enduring hardship due to your delayed 2025 tax refund. You can call 1-877-777-4778, and they can also assist you with finding out why your 2024 tax return is still delayed. And that brings us to the end of this week's 2025 tax refund update and breaking news. Make sure to comment, make sure to share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.